Hello students, welcome back to the channel of Mukesh's Group Tuitions. Now this is similarity of triangles part 5. Now in this lecture we study the sums based on property of angle bisector of a triangle. So we have studied property of angle bisector of a triangle. The bisector of any angle of a triangle divides the opposite side in the ratio of the remaining two sides. The angle bisector of a triangle divides the opposite side in the ratio of the remaining two sides. So as per that property, in triangle ABC, you can see BD is the bisector. BD is the bisector of angle B. You can say angle B or angle ABC. Now if BD is the bisector of angle ABC, then this bisector divides the opposite side in the ratio of the remaining two sides. So you get AD upon DC. AD upon DC. You will get AD. ये bisector है बराबर, तो क्या मिलेगा? AD upon DC is equal to AB upon BC. You will get AD upon DC will be equal to AB upon BC. So AD upon DC is equals to AB upon BC. And sums में जब पे यूज़ करोगे you have to use the formula, the reason, property of angle bisector of a triangle. So bisector divides the opposite side in the ratio of the remaining two sides. So if this is the bisector, the opposite sides का दो parts का ratio AD upon DC will be equals to AB upon BC. AD upon DC is equals to AB upon BC. That's called property of angle bisector of a triangle. Now let's solve a sum based on this. In triangle ABC, AM is the bisector of angle BAC. If AB is equal to 6 centimeters, AC is equal to 9 centimeters, and BM is equal to 3 centimeters, find the perimeter of triangle ABC. So let's draw the triangle and check. You have a triangle ABC, and in this triangle they have given the bisector of angle BAC. So if I take A ka bisector is this. So bisector divides the angle into two equal parts, right? So we have triangle A, B, C, and AM is the bisector. They have given AB is equal to 6 centimeters, AC is equal to 9 centimeters, BM is equal to 3 centimeters, and you want the perimeter of triangle ABC, right? Now perimeter of any triangle, perimeter of the triangle is equal to sum of all the sides, है ना? तो हम लोग को तीनों sides फाइंड करना है. इसमें ये मालूम है, हम लोग को BC फाइंड करना है. उसके लिए we use property of angle bisector to find BC first. So let's start the solution. You can say in triangle ABC, AM is the bisector of angle BAC given, right? So I'll be using property of angle bisector of a triangle. So you get therefore you will get AB upon AC is equal to BM upon CM, or you can write BM upon CM is equal to AB upon AC. Check again, this is the bisector. Bisector divides the opposite side in the ratio of the remaining sides. You get BM upon MC is equal to AB upon AC. BM upon CM. BM upon CM is equal to AB upon AC. So put the values. इसका reason लिखना compulsory है. So in the exams you write the reason as property of angle bisector of a triangle. Property of angle bisector of a triangle. Clear? Now put the values there. So when you put the values, you get AB, it is 6, upon AC it's 9, equal to BM upon CM. BM is 3 upon CM, right? So cross multiply. When you cross multiply, you get CM is equal to, therefore CM will be equal to 9 into 3 upon 6. Okay? So this gets cancelled, 3 2s are, and 9 upon 2, that will give you CM is equal to 4.5 centimeters. Clear? So BC will be how much then? CM 4.5 mila na. So BC is equal to BM plus CM. B dash M dash C. So BC will be equals to BM plus CM becomes 3 plus 4.5. So that is equal to 7.5 centimeters, right? You want the perimeter of the triangle. So you can say therefore perimeter of triangle ABC is equal to sum of all the sides. So AB plus BC plus AC. So put the values there. AB is 6 plus BC is 7.5 plus AC is 9. So add up all the three values. You get 6 plus 9, 15. 15 plus 7.5. That will become 22.5. So therefore perimeter of the triangle is equal to 22.5 centimeters. Clear? So in this sum we have used the property of angle bisector. AM is the bisector, right? So you get BM upon CM is equal to AB upon AC. Clear? Let's solve one more sum based on this property. Look at this question. In the adjoining figure, the bisectors of angle B and angle C. Bisectors of angle B and angle C. Bisectors of angle B and angle C intersect each other at point X. Then they have given AB is equal to 5. So AB is given as 5. BC is given as 6. The whole BC value is given as 6. And AC is given as 4. Find the value of AX upon XY. So here we use property of angle bisector in two triangles. First we take triangle ABY. So look at this triangle ABY. Triangle ABY. इसमें ये बाइसेक्टर है, फाइन. So use property of angle bisector in triangle ABY. So let's consider triangle ABY. Start the solution here. So you can write in triangle ABY, comma BX is the angle bisector, right? BX is the angle bisector given. So we use property of angle bisector. If I use BX is the bisector, now tell me if BX is the bisector, so you'll get AX upon XY will be equals to AB upon BY. You'll get AX upon XY is equals to AB upon BY. So write step number 2. Therefore, my property of angle bisector will get AX upon XY is equals to AB upon BY. The reason is by property of angle bisector of a triangle. By property of angle bisector of a triangle. Now we use the property in the other triangle, that's triangle ACY. So let's consider this triangle now. Triangle ACY. And you can see in this triangle, this is the bisector. And CX is the bisector. So now you write step number 3. In triangle ACY, CY is the angle bisector. Right? So उसमें property use करो. Step number 4. If I use the property here, you get AX upon XY is equal to AC upon CY. AX upon XY is equal to AC upon CY. So when you use that property, you get therefore AX upon XY is equals to AC upon CY. And the reason is same. The reason is property of angle bisector of a triangle. Property of angle bisector of a triangle. Now check the equations 2 and 4. उनका left hand side same है, right? AX upon XY. So when you compare equations 2 and 4, the right hand sides also become same. Now for the answer you require all, so you write all of them. So therefore you can write AX upon XY is equals to AB upon by, and that is equal to AC upon CY. इसका reason you can say from 2 and 4. So you got three ratios are equal, right? So these three ratios are equal. Now for the answer I want BC. आंसर के लिए आई वॉन्ट बी सी. सो बी सी के लिए आई ऐड दीज टू टर्म्स नाउ. अगर हम लोग बी वाई और सी वाई ऐड किया, इफ़ यू ऐड बी वाई एंड सी वाई यू गेट बी सी, राइट? सो आई कैन यूज थियरम ऑन इक्वल रेशियोज. सो देयरफॉर by theorem on equal ratios I can say ax upon xy is equal to numerator plus numerator of the second ratio and third ratio upon denominator plus denominator by plus cy. So that becomes ax upon xy is equals to AB plus AC upon BY plus CY is BC. Now this is a very important question. So they can ask you in exams as BY plus CY. Clear? So AX upon XY is equal to AB plus AC upon BC. AX upon XY is equal to AB plus AC upon BC. Clear? Now we put the values for the answer. So I can write therefore AX upon XY is equals to AB plus AC. AB plus AC. So AB is 5, AC is 4 and BC is 6. So that will become 5 plus 4 upon 6. 9 by 6. When you cancel 3 3s are and 3 2s are. So your final answer is AX upon XY is equals to 3 upon 2. 3 upon 2. Clear? So you have used property of angle bisector 2 times. In first triangle ABY and then triangle ACY, and then use theorem on equal ratios. Now in board exam they can get this also as a question. Prove that AX upon XY is equal to AB plus AC upon BC. So this is the method. For the value you have to substitute the values there. Clear to all? Let's solve one more question. In triangle ABC, BD bisects angle ABC and CE bisects angle ACB. If AB is congruent to AC, then prove that ED is parallel to BC. So you need to draw the diagram first. You have triangle ABC. So in this triangle ABC, BD bisects angle ABC. So BD is the bisector of angle ABC. So let's draw BD as the bisector. And C is the bisector of angle AC. So C is the other bisector. So these are the two bisectors. Clear? So in triangle A, B, C, the question says what? In triangle ABC, BD is the bisector and CE is the bisector. Then they have given AB is equal to AC. AB is equal to AC. AB is equal to AC. That's given. Then prove that ED is parallel to BC. So you can write given from the question. हम लोग क्या प्रूव करना है? ED is parallel to BC. So we start the proof here. Now first check the blue line. Blue line is the bisector of angle B, right? And before that I'll write AB is equal to AC. That's already given the question. So AB is equal to AC. The reason is given. Okay. Now first we use that blue bisector. So we write in triangle ABC, BD is the angle bisector. BD is the angle bisector given. बराबर? Now BD is the bisector. Come on, tell me. अगर BD bisector है तो property use किया तो क्या मिलेगा? AD upon DC is equals to AB upon BC. You will get AD upon DC is equals to AB upon BC. So you can say therefore step number 3, by property of angle bisector, you get AD upon DC is equals to AB upon BC. The reason is by property of angle bisector of a triangle, right? Property of angle bisector of a triangle. But AB is equals to AC. AB is equals to AC, है ना? So AB is equals to AC. So instead of AB, I can write AC. Instead of AB, we can write AC. So I am substituting AB is equal to AC from 1. So the equation 3 becomes, therefore AD upon DC will be equals to AC upon BC. This comes from equation 1. Clear? So I got AD upon DC is equal to AC upon BC. Now we take the pink angle bisector. Who's the angle bisector? Second bisector is C is the bisector. इसमें property use किया तो you get AE upon EB. AE upon EB is equal to AC upon BC. AE upon EB is equal to AC upon BC. So for that we say in triangle ABC, CE is the angle bisector. CE is the angle bisector given, right? If C is the bisector, then use property of angle bisector, you will get, therefore AE upon EC, AE upon EC is equal to AC upon BC. The reason is again property of angle bisector of a triangle. Property of angle bisector of a triangle. So form a box for this. Now you can check step number 4 and step number 6. Step number 4 और step number 6 का right hand side same है. AC upon BC, AC upon BC. दिख रहा है ना? अगर उनका right hand side same है तो उनका left hand side भी same हो जाएगा. So you'll get AD upon DC is equal to AE upon EC. You get AD upon DC is equal to AE upon EC. So you can write therefore in triangle ABC, I'm taking triangle, okay? In triangle ABC, इनका right hand side same है, so equate the left hand side. So you get AD upon DC is equal to AE upon EC. AD upon DC is equal to AD upon DC is equal to AE upon EC. This comes from step numbers 4 and 6, right? So now we come back to the original triangle. You can see this triangle, and in this triangle now, if I join that ED, then you find क्या मिला आपको? AD upon DC is equal to AE upon EB. AD upon DC is equal to AE upon EB, है ना? Therefore this line is parallel to this line, है ना? जब भी एक ट्राइंगल में अगर रेशियोज इक्वल रहेगा तो लाइन्स आर पैरेलल. दैट कम्स बाय कन्वर्स ऑफ बेसिक प्रोपोर्शनलिटी थियरम, जिसका हम लोग ने लास्ट टाइम बहुत सम्स किया था. सो यू गेट ED इज पैरेलल टू BC. सो यू कैन राइट द फाइनल आंसर. देयरफॉर स्टेप नंबर 8, देयरफॉर ED is parallel to BC, and the reason is by converse of basic proportionality theorem, by converse of basic proportionality theorem. So ED is parallel to BC, hence proved. Clear? So you have used angle bisector theorem twice, and then you have used converse of basic proportionality theorem. You get answer there. Okay. Let's solve one more question. In triangle PQR, PM is the median. Angle bisectors of angle PMQ and PMR intersect each other at point side PQ and side PR in points X and Y respectively. Prove that XY is parallel to QR. That's again a similar question. So you have triangle PQR. So let's draw triangle PQR. Triangle PQR. Then they have said PM is the median. PM is the median. Median divides the opposite side into two equal parts. And PM median, so M is the midpoint of QR. So PM is the median. So these two parts are equal, right? Then bisectors of angle PMQ and PMR intersect side PQ and PR in points X and Y. So bisector of angle PMQ is this, and bisector of angle PMR. So I'll draw blue line for PMR ka bisector. PMR. So bisector of PMR is this. Okay. So these are the bisectors. So bisectors of PMQ and PMR intersect side PR in point PQ and PR in point X and Y respectively. So this point is X and this point is Y, and you have to prove that XY is parallel to QR. It's again a similar question, but here QM is equal to MR. So I can say XY is parallel to QR. XY is parallel to QR. तो प्रूव करने के लिए you can first write QM is equal to MR. QM is equal to MR. इसका reason you can say given, because you can say PM is the median, or you can say M is the midpoint, or you can write given. You can write M is the midpoint or PM is the median. If PM is the median, then M is the midpoint. So QM is equal to MR. This is again similar to the last question. You have to use property of angle bisector twice. So in triangle PMQ. So first we consider this triangle. In triangle PMQ, right? इसमें ना MX is the bisector. अगर MX bisector तो क्या मिलेगा? PX upon XQ will be equal to PM upon QM. You will get PX upon XQ will be equal to PM upon QM, right? So in triangle PMQ, MX is the angle bisector. Given, right? Therefore use property of angle bisector. You get PX, step number 3. Therefore you get PX upon XQ. PX upon XQ is equals to PM upon QM. The reason is property of angle bisector of a triangle. Property of angle bisector of triangle. So PX upon XQ is equal to PM upon QM. Now to look at this blue bisector. For that we consider triangle PMR. So in triangle PMR, MY is the bisector. MY is the bisector, right? So you can use that bisector property in triangle PMR. So in triangle PMR, MY is the angle bisector. Given. So therefore we use the property of angle bisector. You get, now here MY is the bisector. You get PY upon YR is equal to PM upon MR. PY upon YR is equal to PM upon MR. So you get PY upon YR is equals to PM upon MR. Again the reason is property of angle bisector of a triangle. Now you know MR is equal to QM. In the step number 1 you have written QM is equal to MR. So instead of MR I can write QM. You know? So instead of MR we can substitute QM here. But MR is equal to QM from 1. So this step becomes therefore PY upon YR is equals to PM upon MR को हम लोग QM लिख सकते हैं QM. इसका रीज़न इज फ्रॉम 1. Okay. So now look at step number 3 and step number 6. Both the steps you will find दोनों का right hand side same है, PQ upon QM PQ upon QM, right? अगर दोनों का right hand side same है तो उनका left hand side भी same हो जाएगा. So you will get PX upon XQ is equal to PY upon YR. So we can write therefore in triangle PQR. So in triangle PQR you got Px upon Xq is equals to Py upon Yr. Py upon Yr. Write the reason from 3 and 6. Now I'll draw the triangle again for you. You can see this triangle. In that, suppose this is that line. So what do you got in triangle P, Q, R, X and Y, है ना? वो सेम डायग्राम मैंने वापस यहाँ पे बनाया. सो क्या मिला हम लोग को? पी एक्स अपॉन एक्स क्यू इज इक्वल्स टू पी वाई अपॉन वाई आर. अगर रेशियोज इक्वल है तो लाइन्स आर पैरेलल. वी गेट देयरफॉर एक्स वाई इज पैरेलल टू क्यू आर. देयरफॉर एक्स वाई इज पैरेलल टू क्यू आर. सो द स्टेप नंबर 8. देयरफॉर एक्स वाई इज पैरेलल टू साइड क्यू आर. The reason is converse of basic proportionality theorem. Converse of basic proportionality theorem. Hence proved. Clear? So these are some very important questions based on angle bisector theorem. And you had combination of converse of basic proportionality theorem also. Thank you so much. Please subscribe, like the video, share the video, and please comment if you want any more questions to be done on this property of angle bisector or any other chapter, any other problems. Thank you so much.